Hello, Dr. Al here. This is a 24-hour, 3-minute bar chart of the S&P E-mini. This is 9/17/2015. The day of the Federal Reserve meeting caused a spike up here. Since then, the market has been moving lower, had a rally here, and hit particular price quantums. I like to use 9-point quantums because there's a 9-point harmonic in S&P prices. This move, for example, here, 1, 2, 3, 4, that was a 27 point or 3 quantum move. Then they came down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's a 72 point move, 1/5 of the circle. So you can figure out things from these quantum prices. This 135, you can see the hits along here. So some people think that there is a numeric quantum grid behind prices. But as you see in this region here, it's not necessarily exact. If you're a technical analyst, one of the things you might do to this chart is add something like some exponential moving averages. And if you do that, they might help you figure out where some decent trades are. This is a 2400 minute exponential moving average, a 440, and a 55 minute. And you can see that a crossover sell here would have worked, but you would have gotten chopped up in here. So there's a possibility that you would think that these moving averages are something magic or any other technical indicator. But what I'll point out to you is that they're simply, since price is their input, they're simply some form of regurgitation of price. Now, there are traders who use some pattern recognition with some patterns. One of the more famous ones is a Andrews pitchfork. And if you are an Andrews pitchfork practitioner, you may have found this Andrews pitchfork. Lows along this line, bounce up to the midpoint, lows along here, highs along this one, didn't get to the low, and then bounced up this doubling of the channel. And you may have thought you have found something magic, but do you understand why it is there? I want to show you something else magic here, because if I now turn on a set of energy field flux lines based upon the motion of the moon, I will show you that the slope of this channel is controlled by the moon. Key harmonics in this flow of moon energy help you find turning points. For example, this is a fifth harmonic high. That fifth harmonic dropped over the weekend and was down here and was sort of an attractor for these falling prices. Fifth harmonic coming up here helped produce this bounce. This was a support line here at this intersection of the two eighth harmonic lines, and it was, but as it came up, it was a resistance line. Got a little bit above it, but support becomes resistance, top of channel. All I'm saying here is that before prices exist, the energy field exists. So with the perennial question of which came first, the chicken or the egg, I will tell you with 100% certainty it's in the energy field first. There's the energy field. Here come prices. There's your channel. And there are little pieces of information that are helpful in trading, like this intersection right here this morning was a turning point. So now, all I'm saying, before there are prices, it's in the field first. The field exists before prices. As a little guy, you have to worry about where the big guys can trample you. Go with the flow. But there's a point, like this one here and this one here, where not even the biggest player can fight the field. So may the field be with you.